So it's 14 months since the floods. One of the river gauges I was watching when the floods were coming on was this one down here. The gauge for Back Creek between Lismore and Kyogo. Just want to make sure this is Back Creek. Yes it is. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is where the gauge was. Now, what's that? 3 meters to the bridge, 4 meters to the bridge maybe. The gauge stopped working. I can't remember whether it was 14 or 16 meters. So just imagine what a lake this all was. That's a good 10 meters higher than that bridge. Let's go back and look at that. Imagine 10 meters over the top of that bridge. Maybe even 12. I can't remember if it was 14 or 16. But the bridge is about 4 meters, I'd say. Anyway, I was just in complete disbelief watching this gauge. Maybe this will give you an idea of how ridiculously deep the flood was. 10 meters above this bridge. It means we're just in the middle of a giant lake, which was what we were. So yeah, just a quickie. I was out this way and I haven't been along here since the flood, so I thought I'd have a look. Right here.